Hi, latest creations. Um, Trying to make a few dwellings for the wee free fairy folk. These are 360 standalone fairy castles, all out of durable timber. We've got cedar and we've got larch. They're really good fun to make. Really enjoy working out how a very small person would be able to get from one dwelling all the way around to the next dwelling. So there you go. That's what I'm doing for the housing crisis. Especially like the finish on that, that's very Boletus like. This is a bit more of a winter one, the chimneys and shingle roofs. Yeah. There you go. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now.